students from this program, in actual fact, would be well sought after by other organisations. It is a well-recognised program, and also graduates from this program can progress to do a diploma and a degree, or even a master's. Skillnet have been there for us for a number of years. They come to us with, different ideas. They help us with design. They're almost the electricity. They're always there. You just need to tap into it when you need it. They are receptive. They are open. They're collaborative, and they are close to the coalface in terms of the organisations they're interacting with. From the very get-go, it is a practical-based program. So the students, from the very first interaction with the University of Limerick program, they are bringing back the skill set back to their organisation. I was amazed with the amount of knowledge that the Irish Medtech Skillnet had about the commercial industry. I realised that they had a deep knowledge of where the skills gaps were. Consequently, we worked closely with the Irish Medtech Skillnet to develop a program that would fill those gaps over a period of possibly 1 year through the Certificate in Management program. We listened to the feedback from Irish Medtech and the students, and also we ensured that our lecturers had a strong commercial knowledge mixed with a strong academic knowledge. So what we were trying to do is we were trying to merge the theory and the practice so that the students could finish the program and have a qualification that got them onto a pathway that would allow them to progress to the next level. What we try to do in the program is we try to mirror what's happening in the day job back in the classroom, so that they can take from the classroom back into the medtech industry. The graduates from this program are highly thought of. They graduate with a Certificate in Management Level 6 on the national framework. This program is accredited not just in Ireland, but also can be used if you go abroad, any place throughout the world. There's a strong recognition within the industry that investing in your staff today is investing in the future, because these managers will be the building blocks of the future generation of the management team within their organisations.